Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can change your wallpaper to a default wallpaper mode. What you need to do is you need to go to the settings, and after going to the setting you need to swipe up and find the wallpaper section. As you can see the wallpaper section, just tap on it, and after going to the wallpaper section you want to make the wallpaper into default mode. You just see that there is an option in the dotted form. What you need to do is just swipe left and go to the first one, as this is the default wallpaper, and you can just tap on it, set as current, and it will automatically set you into a default wallpaper just like this. And it's our wallpaper is just changed. As you can see, it is on a default mode. Okay, so if you want more suggestions or more wallpapers, you just tap on the add a new wallpaper mode just like this, and it will show you more options which you can fix into your which you can set into your phone home screen or wallpaper. I hope this video helping out in setting up or restoring the default wallpaper on your iPhone, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our video. Until next video, bye bye.